Okay, welcome back, guys. Today we are going to talk about NHT token. It is basically an ERC20 token. So it means that you can basically hold this token in MyEther wallet and also on IM token. And also on MetaMask, you have the chance to hold this token over there. So what is basically NHT token all about? At this time, I am going to share each and everything regarding NHT token. But before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon. Basically, here you can see the white paper of it, basically the Natural Health Token NHT. They basically describe their goals. Natural Health Token aims to achieve more than 1 billion users in our ecosystem, providing unique products and own services, and create a total capitalization amounting to over 10 billion US dollars within 5 years. Such business evaluation is possible based on the over 1 billion users and assumed the market value of a user over 10 okay over a user over the $10. It means in maximum 5 years, basically their main aim is to collect up to, you can say, minimum 10 billion. So it is entirely the big thing. So 1 billion users, it means they are going to achieve more than 1 billion users who are going to invest in this token, Natural Health Token. That is basically the key factor of this token. And right now what I am going to share with you is entirely the best thing. Here you can see the token sale is ongoing at this time, and at this time you have the chance to buy this token at very low price. But guys, first of all, you must have to read each and everything. So you must have to open their white paper and you have to read each and every point in their white paper, and you can also follow them on the social media and you can ask whatever you want to ask in their social media. Here you can see the price of one NHT is only and only 0.001, and minimum basically buy. For example, you want to invest in it NHT, so minimum investment is 1 Ethereum and maximum investment is 100 Ethereum. And at this time you have the chance to collect up to 300% bonus if you are going to purchase this token at this time. So what you have to do, you just have to click on read more, and then here you can find the address on which you have to send 1 Ethereum, and you are going to get 700,000 NHT very easily, and you are also going to get the bonus. So you must have to read each and everything, and you can also see the private sale is only and only 5% of the total supply. So you must have to come okay, for all the details you have to see each and everything, their platform, their white paper, and also you can talk with the team directly on their social media, and then you'll be able to analyze either you have to invest it or not. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.